Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Firestick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to fix your Firestick stuck on a logo screen or a black screen. So, what we're going to use is the remote first. And what you can press is the play button and the select button, which is the round button in the middle of your remote control, both together. And this should auto restart your Firestick after around 20 to 30 seconds of holding the buttons down. Now if that doesn't work, what you want to hold down once your Firestick restarts is the back button and the right of the D-pad here. So you want to hold them both together and it should start spinning like this on your Firestick screen. And then all of a sudden a pop-up will appear and it will say, do you want to factory reset your Amazon Firestick? And you just press yes, but don't forget this will wipe all the data off your Firestick and you have to start afresh. Now the last thing I recommend trying is actually unplugging your Firestick from the power outlet. So if you're directly into your TV with a USB, unplug this and go into a mains power, because sometimes there's not enough power in your TV to power the Firestick, and this is why you may be getting that black screen. So make sure you're either into the mains power and then try and see if you can get past that black screen, and if it is, then the TV isn't powerful enough and you will need an adapter if you want to go directly into a USB. So they're 3 practical ways how to fix your Firestick stuck on a logo screen or a black screen. If you found that helpful, don't forget to smash the like, hit the subscribe button for many more Firestick tutorials like this one, and thanks for watching.